Saturday, June 8th, and I just arrived here late afternoon, and Dad is finished for the day, but he's going to show us his progress. And look at all that wiring, all neat and tidy.
It has to be, it's all done. It's just we're going to wrap all this, eh?
Okay.
That's what this is for.
Okay.
Now, you ready?
Okay.
Okay, you put the key on. That's so nobody turns it when the motor's running. Starter.
There you go.
Now, I'm going to put this away. Here's your headlights.
Okay, hold on. Let me go to the front. Wah, headlights.
Okay.
Okay.
This is the horn.
Okay. That's,
Better?
yeah.
Now go at the other side.
Okay.
This is all your gauge lights.
Wah.
This is the wiper.
Okay,
which,
yeah, which is
works.
there, yeah.
But we haven't got the blade on because you got no window. Here's your heater. Low, medium, high.
Oh.
And this is the door fan.
That you still have to install.
That I still got to install. It's on and everything just to put the...
Okay.
Oh, and you want to go and look at taillights?
Yeah, hold on. Oh, look at that. Hey?
Looks pretty good.
Oh, looks fantastic. And you got the transmission cooler installed as well?
Yeah. Hey?
You got the transmission cooler installed as well?
Transmission coolers installed. We got one of these to put on yet.
Okay, what is that?
That's what holds the cooler onto the
Oh, okay.
And these are LED lights.
Okay, this pleases me to no end that you're this far ahead now. And Randy's doing some testing here. So all the wiring's done, just in the nick of time.
We got the gas tank to put in yet.
Yeah.
The floor that needs some work yet.
Yeah.
This all will fit in. We have all the parts.
Okay.
The shifter for the has to be done yet.
Yeah.
And put the tracks on. We're done.
Okay. Lucky, lucky, lucky. So happy, happy, happy. Okay, guys, that is Saturday, June 8th, and Dad has, and with his buddy Randy, they've made leaps and bounds here today. And looks like everything was vacuumed up here as well, so it's nice and clean.
Yeah.
I think that was done yesterday by the...
No, it's done right here.
Oh, okay. And so, are you feeling optimistic for the next couple of weeks, like you won't be rushed, or?
Yeah, and here's another thing. There's clearance under here. Belts are tight.
Okay.
And there's clearance under there, so this can't hit the fender.
Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect.
Choke is wired and works. The electric choke, we're going to put the door on Monday.
Okay.
And these hold-down brackets for the
batteries, all done.
I didn't paint that one yet. Cut these studs off so they're not sticking up so much. And then we're ready to start it and run it.
My blood pressure is going down from
just... the owner's blood pressure is going down too.
Yeah.
So we'll put the door on.
Yeah.
He'll have to do a little...
Yeah, he's got the paint already for that, so...
There's a couple little chips.
Yeah. Well, we still got to wash everything down too for him,
yeah,
so...
We'll wash the whole thing and wax it.
Yeah.
But then he has to clean the wax off before he does touch-up.
Okay.
This kind of stuff was done
beforehand, yeah. Okay, so yes, Dad has gone leaps and bounds here with his buddy Randy in the last week, and I'm so happy that all the cabling is done and wired and looks good. Dad still has to put it into the wrap here. You still got a few other things to wrap up here, guys, but oh yeah, my blood pressure is way down. I was really stressed here for Dad because I know he's got a fixed date, but now that he's coming to the end, I think he should be able to have everything done. It's all these little jobs that take time.
And the stuff you gotta make.
Yeah.
I still gotta make stuff here.
Yeah. Okay, well, so...
that we put together here can be taken apart with bolts, or is not welded.
Yeah.
That's
Okay, that is it. Tell us what you think, guys. Comment below, and
We'll hear it running in the next few days.
there you go.
Transmission cooler is all plumbed and
Perfect.
connected.
Perfect.
I'm pretty happy about all this. The shifter on it. I'm worried about these hoses getting pinched when we put the floor on.
Yeah.
So I'm going to, I'm putting a pipe in here this long, 2 of them,
Yeah.
and clamp the hoses on so the floor is sitting on pipe.
Okay.
This part
Okay.
goes in here, this is off for the pedals,
Okay.
and then the floor goes in.
Oh, God, I'm so happy. Happy, happy, happy. Okay, so we'll check in with you guys in the next video.